no sorry. I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you. Flexing, flexing, ballin', texting and haters keep going, man. I see you, hey, stop watching me, man. Don't sit on that Louis. I got couch rules. Talked to Jossie the other day. He getting out soon. I'm not on a team, but I be ballin' though. And I'm not from the 3, but rest in peace to Mario. Hey, look, I'm sorry though, because my swag kills. And if I don't buy up everything, my cash real. And shout out to my mother, cause she feeling sad. Still the video ain't dropping. I got cameras on my ass still. Caesar told me that my circle's too big, but I'm too busy wondering if my shirt is too big. I go dumb hard, y'all gum hard. I ain't Wayne, I don't stunt, I stunt hard. See y'all ballin', tryna get the VIP, we bout it.
Hello, it's the Martian. 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 Hello, it's the 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 Martian. 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 Hello, it's the Martian.
Hello, Space Jam Flow. Hello, it's the Martian. Bend your girl over, beat it up like Tarzan. Slice silver, surfer, golden clear entertainment. Ride that thing, increase the celebration. Coming out the bands like a transformation, hitting it in the air, no gravitation. Have a conversation, a little moderation, then the red room gonna be the location. No inspiration, no hesitation. Taking off in jeans is my expectation. Yeah, I'm a jerk, no masturbation. Everybody on lock, time for termination. 3 to 1 blast off space operation. The space shuttle baby won't stop vibrating. You wanna be wifey, sorry, misinterpretation. Didn't mean to expand your imagination. Yeah, Lego. Okay, time for my part, and hello, it's the Martian. Get your girl pregnant, now it's time for her abortion. Whoa, I know you dig my flow, I'll be flowing like a river, and it never gets sold. And your girl working for me, and she might get sold. I'm steezing, bro. In the winter, I'm hot, in the summer, I'm cold. Got a Marvel Kid swag, man, you already know. And I get a lot of dough, in the summer, it snows. Like, I'm too fly, now they just get mad, cause I'm too high, like I'm out of this planet. Hello, it's the Martian, the one you can't stand it. They just keep hating, cause your mom I'm dating, she my #1 fan. T-Man.